Texas Longhorn is a good example of an adapted breed that has had varying fortunes. In the late 1800s, the Texas Longhorn numbered in the millions. The number radically declined in the early 1900s and continued to decline until the late 1950s and early 1960s. At that point, the breed became more popular and increasing numbers of breeders banded together to assure that the Texas Longhorn would not face extinction. As with any breed, the direct foundation that persisted through the bottleneck is the real foundation of the breed. What became the modern Texas Longhorns are those few herds that were carefully tended through the lean years. These foundations are important to the breed, for they shaped what the breed is and what it can become. Only a few families kept herds through these lean years. Each of these lines were assembled so the breed was able to have a sampling of the geographic varieties of the original breed. The family lines that persist and were important to the foundation include Butler, Wright, Marks, Yates, Phillips, Peeler, and the Wildlife Refuge. The Texas Longhorn Breeders Association was formed by the late Charles Schreiner III. Tonight, we honor these foundations of the Texas Longhorn.